My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking? YouTube, is your boy Toon, aka your first Sneakerhead. Once again, bringing out sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so early review for 2 shoes. We're doing 2 shoes in one video today. You already see the thumbnail, you already see the name of this. So we got some Kobe's. We got some Kobe's that I am on my way to see right now. For obvious reasons that I don't have to speak on. For this particular video, on the actual shoe review, it will be a voiceover. It will not be my actual voice. I mean, it's gonna be my voice, but it's not gonna be like in time and voice. I'm gonna do the video and then I'm gonna do a voiceover with all the like the details after it. Once I get home, whatever like that. So just to give y'all a little peek behind the curtain, whatever like that. So Kobe's dropping like four Kobe's, I think. And I think it's like soon. I think it's soon. So depending on when you see this video, this should be like my second video or first video, depending on when you see it, of the day, because I am posting another video. I'm probably gonna post this one first because I'm thinking this is gonna get the most engagement. But some my phone positive video is dropping, so definitely go check that out if you seeing this, because they're gonna be up around the same time. So like I said, it depends on which one you look at first, this one or that one. If you looked at that one, go look at this video. Come look at this video. If you looked at well, welcome, first of all, welcome. if you're looking at this one first, go check out that one. It'd be up too. So anyway, enjoy the look at the 2 Kobe's, and I'll be back after that to close out the video. So stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, we got 2 Kobe boxes right here. Kobe logo in the center of both of them. Signature underneath of it. Still got the black scales on it, nothing special. First time we got Kobe 8 Protro, white quarter purple, size 10.5. Again, this is not my personal size, but I wanted to make sure y'all get this review. Let's open this box up. Put this to the side real quick. Alright. Let's get it. Regular white paper, nothing special about this. Alright, pull this out. Alright, let me set this up real quick. And yeah, we got the Kobe 8 Protro. These the white joints. I think this is the home ones, if I'm not mistaken. See that Laker yellow, that University go in the back. That purple swoosh right there. All white mesh. Got the Kobe logo on the tongue. Another purple swoosh right there. White laces. White on the inside, white guts. That carbon fiber black right there. Signature on the back. Kobe logo right there on the underfoot. More carbon fiber. Dope shoe. Very, very clean. Skin, I'm gonna mess this up though. Like, very, very clean. Alright, see, let's look at this. My bad. I had the camera got cut off for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah. So what y'all think about this? I mean, I like it. I do like it. I like it. But let's move to the side and get to the one I personally like better than this. Same Kobe box, nothing special. You already know what it is. Label is Kobe 8 Protro, black University gold white. Scales on the box. All right, let's open this up. Same white tissue paper and all that. Nothing different, you know. Let me just take this out, move this out the way, and set this up. Oh, 10.5 also again. Like I said, these not personal pairs, but these just want to show you that. And boom, yeah. Oh, these are clean. Oh, these are clean. Look at that. Look at that gold signature, Kobe signature on the back. That gold Nike swoosh. That black mesh. Oh, this is so clean, bro. White midsole. See the logo right there. Kobe logo on a underfoot at the back. Again, carbon fiber. That gold just hits right. Purple logo on the tongue. And it's on the heel too. If I probably didn't really show that much. You see that little purple hints right there. Black laces. No extra laces in neither one of these shoes, but nothing really needed. They just both clean shoes. I like this more than the other pair, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of y'all, excuse me. Which one y'all like more? The black ones, these supposed to be like the aways, or the white ones. Here we go, the white ones, the home. So which one y'all like more? Y'all let me know. Either one of these a copper drop for y'all. All right, let me get back to the aisle so I can show y'all, give y'all some real information, suggest the retail price and all that. Be back. Okay, I'm back. Hope y'all enjoyed that little review and hope y'all was able to make out what I was saying with the voiceover. I only did a voiceover like one time before. Hold on, I'm coming from Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna go give me some food. Gotta make this left. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more crowded when I got off of work today. Like I don't like getting off of work after 5 o'clock because traffic, but it's 6:43 and there's no traffic, like whatever like that. So anyway, enough talking. I don't care about that. I got some information off of sportsillustrated.com. I mean, shout out to Sports Illustrated. Never got information off that, but this was the only website I saw that had like all the different shoes. So remember I told you in the intro they dropping like 5 pairs of Kobe. So that was only 2 I showed you. They had a gray pair. I could have gave y'all the grade release look too, but it was like a grade school pair. Not saying that nothing's gonna be different between a grade school and adult pair, but I just didn't want to do it. I ain't gonna lie to you. And I kind of like the idea of me doing the 2 pairs I did do because this is the home and away pairs. I knew there was gonna be home and away pairs because they look so similar to each other. Just like one was like black and the other one was white or whatever like that. But they both had the Laker themed colors. I'm actually gonna stop at this red light on purpose so I can give y'all this information. All right, so if y'all hear that vibrating in the background, that's my Pokemon Go playing by itself. But anyway, all right, so the first shoe, even though this was the second shoe I showed, matter of fact, I'm just gonna give y'all no order. Okay, so the first shoe was, that light changed fast, was the Nike Kobe 8 Lakers Home. So yeah, so there's the Lakers Home. Okay, it reads, the Nike Kobe 8 Protro Lakers Home colorway releases at 10 a.m. Eastern on Friday, September the 6th. So that's when it drops. Online shoppers can buy the shoes for $180. That's the retail price. And then it says, when Bryant and Lakers wore their Sunday white uniforms at national televised games, it spelled trouble for the NBA. The Lakers home colorway invokes memories of Bryant's best performances. The colorway sports an ultra-clean all-white look. The court purple Nike swoosh logo and Kobe branding pop off on the sides, while the University Gold Kobe logos caps off the colorway with a stylish touch. All right, so just straight to the point, that's what it is. And the other one, the second shoe, the one that I like the most, is the Nike Kobe 8 Protro Hollywood Knights, aka the Lakers away. And it says same thing, released 10 a.m. Eastern on Friday, 180, that don't change. And it says, Lakers fans will love the Hollywood Knights colorway as it draws inspiration from the popular alternative uniforms worn during Bryant's career. The colorway features a black upper constructed by University Gold Nike swoosh logo and Kobe branding on the sides. The white outsole and purple Kobe logo provides the finishing touches to the Lakers inspired sneakers. All right, so that's that little information for both of them. They also are releasing, hold on, can I just put it right there? Oops, kind of fell. Hold on, bear with me because I'm not really trying to drive and record. Don't do this at home, people. Don't do this at home. It's some other Kobe's that's releasing, and I wanted to give y'all the names. One is the Midnight Navy. I did that review maybe like 2 weeks ago. I did that, or College Navy, something like that. And the other one, let's see. So we got the Hollywood Knights. We got the Lakers home. The University Red. I like those. See if we can show you this real quick. Those, you see that? I like those. I like those a lot. And College Navy, I already did that. And we got the Wolf Gray. That's what we got. I think that's it. Yeah. So that's the 5 Kobe's that's releasing all on Friday. So if you're a Kobe fan and I know I'm blocking the camera. Hold on. I basically cut my heat on by accident. Not only did I cut my heat on by accident, but I basically press the stop button on the record. Anyway, but I was saying, if you're a Kobe fan, man, you and if you're lucky enough to hit on all of these, which would be incredibly hard, because y'all know how sneakers are. But if you are blessed and lucky enough to hit on all 5 of these, you about to be spending money. Like listen, the gray ones I don't need. The college navy ones, they're okay. I mean, they're okay. The University Red is fire. I'm not gonna lie, that is a dope shoe. And I would only want the home and away if I got both of them. So if I had to put them in order, University Red would be one. The home and the Hollywood Knights or the away, they would be 2. The home would be 3. The Midnight Navy would be 4, and the Wolf Gray would be 5. I don't need a Wolf Gray at all. I should have showed y'all that. I should at least showed y'all the Wolf Gray because I had a chance to show y'all a little earlier for that, but I just didn't want to do the grade school. I just didn't want to do that. Like I've never done the grade school sneaker review before, but I just didn't want to do it. But anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop. If y'all like this or whatever, like any of these Kobe's. Is Kobe losing the mystique of it? Because now it looks like they're gonna start really releasing Kobe's like back to normal, like how they used to. So that, which is dope. I like that. I like that. If you want the shoe, you should be able to have a chance to get the shoe. So I'm not saying that every shoe got to be GR, but I like that they're giving people more opportunity to try to get the shoe. So I'm okay with that. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.